YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, I'm back again and we are going to see your readings for the coming week, and this reading is going to be for all zodiac signs starting from Aries until Pisces. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this reading, from that particular time onwards, a time frame of 7 to 10 days, say these energies are going to be applicable for you. So let us begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for my Arian friends. So divine, how is the coming week going to be for my Aries friends? Page of Wands, some kind of a news is coming towards you, and let's see if this news is going to be a good news for you. Wow, amazing. So it is a beautiful week for my Arian friends, my Aries friends. I feel that in the past few days, my Aries friends were either they were spending some time alone. They were meditating, they had kind of secluded themselves from the community, from their families, friends, and they were wishing some time alone. For some of my Aquarian friends, I feel that there was a family member, might be, who was admitted in a hospital, and in the coming week I see that there is a good news coming. This can be an invitation for some kind of a celebration that is about to happen for you in your family, or there can be an invitation for you to meet some friends. Some kind of a celebration is happening. It is on weekly basis, so it can be a get together with the family friends that can happen. For some few people, there can be an invitation or a fixation of a marriage, or a roka, or a childbirth happening for a few. For some of my friends, if you were looking for a job opportunity, I see good news. If you had given some kind of an interview, or you were looking for a business job or a professional opportunity, I see that you can hear a good news regarding that. For some of my friends, there is a news of childbirth or a celebration of a birthday happening. If you are looking for love, then this week is going to be very, very good. You will get the chance to meet your lover, explore them, have good time with them. Celebratory week with a lot of adventure, success. You are coming out of your energies of isolation and being in a mode when you were not wishing to interact with people. Now is the time to interact with your soul family, your family, extended family, friends. So this is a very happy-go-lucky kind of a week for you. So there is a card over here wherein they say get back to the basics. So it is possible that you had taken a holiday for a few days, you were not attending your work, and you were keeping backseated with regard to your work. You were giving time to yourself, building on your strength. So now the guidance for you is to get back to your basics. Start with your basic routine. It can be work related, it can be exercises related, it can be meeting your friends or your colleagues. Then they say feather, someone is undependable and insecure. So in this week there can be meeting with a person who is undependable or insecure. Out of the gatherings, the that you are having. And there is a divine guidance message over here, dear friends, which says, ask for what you want. Let the universe and other people know what you need. This is a beautiful card for you. It's a card of law of manifestation. So you can give your affirmations to the universe this week as to what you want to manifest for yourself, and the universe is open for you. I feel that you have been taking a lot of healings for yourself. You have been meditating also, and now you are building divine connections. For some of my friends, I see a lot of online chatting or online expansion happening for you. Wishing you all the best. A beautiful week for my Arian friends. Lots of love and best wishes to you. Enjoy yourself. So we'll move on to our next sign. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurian friends. What are the energies for my Taurian friends in the coming week? And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day until 7 to 10 days from that particular day, the energies are going to be applicable for you. There is going to be an aha moment in the coming week for you. A certain situation on which you needed clarity is going to come. It can be relationship based, or it can be a scenario in your workplace. I see a good news coming towards you. This is a very, very beautiful, blissful week for you. I see that some of my Taurian friends were going through a situation of heartbreak. In the past, might be they were also traveling. There was some concern of traveling, or might be a Cancerian person around you. Something with regard to their car, vehicle, or some forward movement which was not happening in their life. They were feeling stuck. So in the coming week, there is a good news coming to you, and this good news is a new opportunity that has been sent by the divine towards you. It can be an idea which comes to you. Maybe you want to set up a new profession, or you want to take a new job, or there is a certain business type that you want to start, and there is an idea which is coming towards you in the coming week, and this idea has been divinely gifted for you. For some of my friends, it is a week of writing some kind of a doing some kind of a writing work. Might be some articles that they should be writing. I feel that there was a something that you wished in the month of January 2021 which did not fulfill for you then, and that wish which was not granted then is going to be granted in this week. So there can be a good news from your child also. Might be your child was suffering something, might be your child was suffering in their health, and there is a good news regarding that. All in all, it is a very, very joyous week for you, with a lot of mental clarity coming on the situations which were very confusing for you. I see new opportunities of travel in work areas, in professions that are new ideas, new opportunities are coming for you. If you were looking for a good news with regard to a clarity in your settlement with a person, yes, that is also coming. I see the energies of Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, Leo, Sagittarius, and Leo, Sagittarius very, very evident in the coming week for you. And here we have a card which says Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. So it is a time frame for my Taurus friends to grab this opportunity or this idea which has been divinely sent to you, and you grab this opportunity and do something risky and take a chance. If this is something new that is coming towards you, take a chance. For some of my friends, it is a week of beginning their exercising regime, taking good care of themselves. For some of my friends, if you were infatuated towards a person who is younger than you, you are going to get some kind of a clarity in the relationship, or might be you get some conversation, communication, or a phone call from them. Here we have a card which says someone you know is undependable and insecure. So might be there was a situation around you, or in this week there is going to be a communication with a person who is undependable and insecure, and so might be you decide to pick up these new opportunities or these ideas which are divinely sent towards you. So a lot of mental clarity, lot of activity happening, a very very active week with a lot of mental clarity, wherein you are going to be able to clear a lot of blocked emotions from your heart and mind. Winter, dear friends, there is a time frame that they want to give. I did feel the month of January was important, and over here they are saying the answers to your prayers and affirmations are fully realized in the winter months. So with the winter card, I also feel the month of January is going to be important for you, for something that you're going to start in this week is going to manifest you in a big way. If it is a profession or it is a business idea that you are going to start, this can manifest for you in a time frame of say for a time frame of 7 to 9 months, they say. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to all my Taurian friends. Enjoy yourself. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Gemini friends. How the coming week is going to be for my Gemini friends. Some of my Gemini friends, I feel, have felt stuck in a certain situation, or have felt very dominated by somebody. A person or a situation around them has been very very dominating for their energy. In the coming week, I see you completing a lot of tasks. This is a workaholic week for you. Yes, so the devil card pops up again. So oh my god, so for my Gemini friends, I feel that there is, oh my god, there is some kind of a situation around my Gemini friends which is very very negative. There is a person who is involved in this situation. It can be either you or the other person. The energies are very ego based. This person is not at all working from their heart center. They are working from their ego base. I see some kind of a documentation is on your mind, and in the coming week I feel that you feel very dominated by a situation, person, or a, somebody around you who is giving you a lot of work, and you're feeling very burdened in your mind, body and soul. And I feel that you are in a kind of a mind frame to come out of this situation which is very draining on you, which is very negative on you, is about to end for you soon. But you are going to be the one to decide how you have to come out of this negative situation. Okay, and in the coming week I still feel that this devilish energies, the domination is very much around you. It is possible that there is a person around you who is seeking some kind of sexual favors also from you, and you feel very very choked with their energy. Okay, I see that the zodiac signs of Capricorn, Leo, Aries and Sagittarius are very very evident. Might be the person around you is of these zodiac signs. Then there is a card, dear friends, which says you feel something is lacking in your life, perhaps love, money or goals. So for some of my friends, I also feel that they are indulging in a third party situation. Either they are indulging or they have discovered this thing about their partner being involved with another person, and so they feel a lack of love might be in their life. Some of you, my friends, are becoming very greedy. So they are doing a lot of work, they are taking up many projects to make a lot of money, but in doing so they are becoming very negative in their energy. Then so they say, there's a card whale which says great worry over nothing. So I feel that in the coming week there is going to be a lot of negative energy blockages that are inside your body, and the universe is saying get some exercise. So they say as your body becomes stronger, you begin to feel stronger in all ways. So I feel that in the coming week, if you want to come out of these negative situations that are so draining on you, or these negative people who are absolutely burdening you in a relationship, or might be a work scenario, or might be you feel absolutely burdened in your body because of low spirit attachment and evil spirit attachment in your body, the angels are saying if you get some form of exercise, might be yoga, might be you go to gym, or might be you take healings only, you will be able to release these negative blockages from your body. I see a lot of negative energy that is blocked in your body, as well as the situations and the people around you are very negative. You need to take the cord cutting, take that healing to cut your cords from toxic people, places and situations. As well, take all chakra clearing playlist that is really going to help you in your situation. And please work from love, not ego. So I hope you will be able to come out of these negative situations in a time frame of 7 days. And please, I request you to do some exercises to release these negative blockages from your body. As well, drink a lot of water. So wishing you all the best, lots of love and best wishes. Moving on to our next sign, that is the sign of Cancer, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. Some kind of a situation around their home or a job, some transformation they are saying, some change, some sudden shocking situation can happen for them. I feel that my Cancerian friends have been waiting from a long time for a certain change to happen in their life. So in the past weeks, I feel that their heart chakra has been healing, because they either there is a person who is connecting with them who is like a child, can be a child also, might be your child is giving you a lot of happiness, or might be your heart chakra is healing, and so you are seeing a lot of magic that is manifesting in your life now. For some of my friends, definitely there is a person around you who is infatuated towards you, and you feel a lot of magic happening around you, as if this person is bringing a lot of magic in your life, and you're feeling that your heart chakra is healing when you communicate with this person. Might be they are infatuated towards you, might be you are infatuated towards them. So let's see, in the coming week, I see that you will be working very dedicatedly on your projects. From morning until evening, I see that there is a new opportunity of work that has come towards you. There is an opportunity of financial manifestation, I must say, that has come towards you, and you are working very dedicatedly towards this opportunity which has come towards you. And in doing so, you are persevering well, and you are also building base. You are sowing your seeds for a lot of financial manifestation in future. So in the coming week, I feel that whatever good hard work you had done in your in whatever field, might be you invested in a property, might be you had put some efforts in your work, might be you had invested in a relationship. In the coming week, I see that the fruits of this investment are going to be visible to you in the coming weeks. So the energies of earth sign people are very, very evident. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, as well the water sign person, that can be Piscean, Scorpio, Cancer, or an Aquarian, that can be evident in the coming week. Then, so if you were looking for changes, this is a week of a change, manifestation, grounding happening for you. Love is manifesting in the life of some of my Cancerian friends. I feel that, if you were wishing to hear from somebody, if you were wishing for a phone call or some kind of a news from a partner, you will see that you are going to hear loving messages coming from them. This is a time frame of you giving yourself love. This card, I can say that you have chosen yourself as the number one person to give yourself love. I feel that your heart chakra is healing and you are giving yourself love and respect. And fireworks, excitement. Yeah, so I'm sensing a lot of excitement happening. Might be there is a person around you who is absolutely helping you heal. It can be your child also. Open your heart chakra towards these excitements. I feel your inner child is healing. Might be you can take these inner child healings also from our YouTube channel. But all in all, I can say that a certain opportunity has come towards you. It can be work related, it can be health related, it can be in your love life, something which is making you feel like a child again. Your inner child is feeling happy, contented, and so you are putting your hard work, you are working towards your goals sincerely, and it is a time of excitement. And here we do have a card of Sun. For some of my friends, if you were wishing a childbirth, there is an indication that yes, you can manifest birth of a child. For some of my other friends, they say your son is washed over and protected as he explores his world. So if you are a Cancerian person who is really worried about your child, a male child in your family, so the universe is saying that universal energies are working behind seeing your child. Do not worry, you are putting your effort, you are giving your time to your child and working in building them up now. And in doing so, the universe says that manifest this friendship with your child from a place of love and not from a place of ego. And there is going to be an exciting news with regard to your child, might be, or with regard to your inner child healing in the coming week. So it is a very beautiful, blissful time for my Cancerian friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to my Cancerian friends. Now we are going to move on to the next zodiac sign after Cancer, which is the zodiac sign of Leo. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Leo friends. How are the energies for the coming week for my Leo friends? How is the coming week going to be for my Leo friends? Wow, I feel that my Leo friends have already been feeling very, very satisfied in their life. So they have moved away from the chaotic times. They have got a lot of healing done in their chakras, and now in the coming week I see that in the past weeks I feel that they have felt very satisfied, contented with their life as they are moving towards calmer times. Some of my friends who were actually suffering some kind of a mental problem or headaches are now coming out of that kind of an health problem. In the coming week, I see the fire sign person very, very evident. Now this person can be a Leo, Sagittarius, or Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person. It can be your own energy also. In the coming week, if it is your own energy, I see you very, very dynamic, charismatic, attractive, like a superstar, and with a lot of mental clarity. So if there was a situation wherein you were wishing for some kind of a clarity from a Leo or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person, I see a clear communication that is happening for you in the coming week with this person. So this is a week wherein the situations which were unclear for you are going to become clear. And let's see what this clarity is going to bring for you in the coming week. So there is happiness and well-being for my Leo friends in the coming week. The Sun card, which is a card of positivity, I feel the communications that you're going to have are going to bring a lot of happiness and well-being in your career, profession. I feel that there is an opportunity of an aha moment, an opportunity that comes to you from a divine, which is your soul life purpose. You get a clarity on your soul life purpose, and this opportunity is absolutely blissful for you. It is going to bring a lot of happiness and well-being in future for you. And wind chime, peace and harmony. What a beautiful week for my Leo friends. Absolutely working on their aura, absolutely working on their looks. They are looking dynamic, they are exercising, they are charismatic, their mental ability is very sharp. Walk away. So there is a guidance message which is coming for my Leo friends, and they say leave the unhealthy situation and enjoy the new doors that open as a result. So if there is a person who is causing you some kind of a stress or an unhealthy situation around you, you are being called to walk away from these people who cause negativity in your life. You can also take our healing of cutting the cords from negative people, places and situations. Get a clarity on the situations which are unclear to you and move towards happiness and well-being. There is peace and harmony, happiness and well-being for you that is waiting for you in the coming week. Very beautiful and blissful time frame for my Leo friends. Your health is going to be good. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes. So moving on to my next zodiac sign, that is the sign of Virgo, and let us see how the coming week is going to be for my Virgo friends. Let's see what are going to be the energies for my Virgo friends in the coming week. Okay. So let's see. So for my Virgo friends in the coming week, I feel that they are going through a period of transition wherein they are moving away from the people, places and situations which had caused them a lot of headache, backache and backstabbing in past, towards the people, places and situations which are bringing them soulful joy. So it is a time frame of a lot of healing for my Virgo friends. I feel a certain situation that was deceptive, that was a situation of cheating or being backstabbed, or a person might be who was causing you a lot of pain in your life. That situation is ending in your life and opening a way of new beginnings. Now it can be with regard to your love life, it can be with regard to your work life, it can be with regard to your health. I see a lot of healing is coming towards you. There is a middle person definitely who is involved. This person can be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person who is bringing a lot of healing towards you. So in the past week, I feel that you have felt grounded, you have been enjoying yourself thoroughly well in your work as well as your home life. I feel that you have been making money also, as well as you have felt very calm and peaceful in your energies, because you are being able to balance both your work life and your home life in the past weeks. I feel that a Cancer person is very very evident around you, who is bringing offers of healing for you. In the coming week, I see that your third eye chakra is opening and your heart chakra. So I feel that a lot of decluttering is happening from your third eye, that is your mind and soul. Mind and soul and heart, I can say your mind and heart is being cleansed, because the situations which had caused you a lot of heartache and headache in past are absolutely going to come to an end in the coming week. A situation is ending. There is an end to a situation, definitely 100%, and a lot of healing is coming in the coming week for you. Okay. There can be offers of love, there can be offers of new job, new opportunities in your professions also. New career, wow, beautiful, beautiful. So might be for you or for a person around you who means a lot to you. I see that they have this message. They say your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and a successful direction. So in the coming week there is again going to be an opportunity. I see that opportunities of stability and money manifestations are coming towards you. For some of you, there are going to be more opportunities coming towards you in the coming week. Might be there are more people joining in your company, or there is more expansion in your work area. Might be for some of my friends, you might absolutely decide to leave your old career and come into the line of healing. Might be you opt for becoming a spiritual healer or a spiritual teacher, or some kind of line of spirituality. Then in the coming week, an older man is going to be evident. So they say dealing or relationship with an older man, it is possible that a healing is coming towards you with a relationship with an older man. Might be there was a situation wherein you were backstabbed or you felt hurt by this older man, but now the situation of healing is coming. Might be this older man has an offer for you, a healing offer for you. And there is firecrackers excitement. Wow, amazing, dear friends. So I feel that it is a very very beautiful, blissful week for my Virgo friends. For some of my Virgo friends, this older man can be a person in their workplace who brings them an opportunity of new career advancement. Or for some of my friends who were looking for job, this older man can be a middle person. Somewhere I feel this older man is the middle person who is going to cut the slakes for you, for cause an end to a painful situation in your life and bring some excitement and good news of soulful joy towards you. Very very blissful, happy, successful time, prosperous time for my Virgo friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, and fireworks and excitement is ahead for you, mostly in regards to your career advancement. Lots of love and best wishes. Enjoy yourself. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Libran friends. So for my Libran friends, I feel that there have been situations of a lot of stress, competition, jealousy also around them, that they have been suffering mental stress, physical stress, emotional stress. Lot of people who are around them who don't understand them. I feel such kind of a situations have been around my Libran friends for the past few weeks, months or years. And let's see. Wow, King of Pentacles, beautiful. Coming week is going to be a very very prosperous week Financially, if you are a business person, a professional person, I feel that you are going to make some good money in the coming week. There is a situation that is ending in a coming week. I see a lot of balance is coming towards you. So in the past weeks, I feel that you have been taking some healings, doing some chakra works, or might be, wearing some crystals and trying a lot to bring balance in your life. I feel a Sagittarius person has been very evident for you in the past few weeks, and something with regard to your home, or might be your brothers, sisters, or property has been on your mind. And in the coming week, for my Libran friends, absolutely I feel that an opportunity of financial manifestation is happening for them, which is going to bring an end to a long due cycle, which was very, very depleting for them. So a death of a very painful cycle is going to happen for some of my Libran friends, and this death, this ending is going to bring an opportunity of financial benefit for my Libran friends. So in the coming week, there can be a Capricorn or a Scorpio person, or a Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, persons who are going to be very evident around you. And I feel a situation of lack is going to end in the life of my Libran friends. I feel an opportunity of a big time business profession or a service manifestation is going to be for them. For some of my Libran friends, there is going to be investment in a property. Then we have a card of flowers over here which says happiness. So in the coming week, I feel a lot of happiness, happy times are going to harness for you, because end of a very, very painful time frame, or ending of a very painful life cycle is coming. And I feel for most of my Libran friends, this is an end of a cycle which caused you a lot of financial loss, kind of a cycle that was very painful financially for you, wherein they say dissatisfaction with life. There was a cycle wherein you felt a lot of dissatisfaction with your life, and that cycle is going to end for you in the coming week. For some of my friends, there can be an actual death in their family, and this death is leading to some kind of heredity money or a property that is coming towards my Libran friends. Business venture, wow. Yes, definitely for my Libran friends, I feel that if you have started a certain business, or if you are planning to invest in a certain business or a profession or a new career, I feel it is going to bring you fruitful results, and these fruitful results you're going to start to see from the coming week. So they say trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunity. So if there is a new career opportunity that you're contemplating, the divine is giving a clear message that trust and follow through this new business opportunity or a career opportunity which has come to you, because this new opportunity is going to end your period of lack in life. Very grounded energy. So in the coming week, I see you working on your projects in your home life as well in your work area. I see you being very dedicated, doing all your work progressively, making money as well, and finishing the tasks that were pending from which were long due on you, that were pending for you, and having divine connection. So it's a very, very beautiful, blissful time frame for my Libran friends. I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to my Libran friends. Lots of you can start some new business venture in the coming week. I wish you all the best. Now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Scorpion friends. Let's see what are the energies of the coming week for my Scorpion friends. Wow, amazing, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I feel that in the coming week, my Scorpion friends who have felt choked, absolutely choked, jailed, suffocated, and a lot of burden in past are going to end a very painful cycle which was very very tiresome, burdensome, which was making them feel a lot of lack in their life, a lot of suffocation in their life. I feel a new opportunity of some kind of a manifestation in their life. If they were looking for if you were looking for an opportunity to become a spiritual healer or a spiritual teacher, yes, I feel that that opportunity is going to manifest for you. Some of you, I absolutely feel, will become a spiritual teacher and sign a certain contract in the coming week. For some of my other friends, I feel that if you were looking for a new job, business or a career opportunity, I feel that there is going to be a middle person who is going to be a Leo, Sagittarius or an Aries person, and this person is going to help you manifest and do some documentation work for the projects, for the businesses or the professions or the jobs that you want to manifest. This person can be an agent or might be a spiritual person who has done some healings for you, or might be you took some healings from them and they have helped you in the manifestation of this desire in your life. I see that you have been taking a lot of healings for your chakras clearing, and this in the coming week you will absolutely clear a lot of blockages from your body and manifest things for yourself, because now you have become the magician of your life. You have cleared your chakras and now you are in a manifestation mode. And here they say compliments from an admirer. So in the coming week, I feel my Scorpion friends are absolutely charismatic. They're paying a lot of attention to their health. They're eating right. They're doing a lot of exercises, and they are building on good health, and a lot of good vibrations are coming from their aura. And as a result, these manifestations of, say, new properties, new businesses or new relationships, even if you wanted to manifest a good relationship, you can attract people of opposite sex towards you. So compliments from admirers are coming towards you in the coming week. This is beautiful. And there's another card, dear friends, which is wonderful, which says news of a birth or a new business opportunity. What a wonderful, blissful time for almost all of my friends. So there is a new business opportunity which is going to manifest big time for my Scorpion friends. Might be you were putting a lot of effort, you were waiting for this opportunity to manifest for you. For some of my friends, there is going to be a middle person, a healer, who is going to help you in manifestation of a child for you. And here we have a guidance message from Divine, and they say express your individuality, allow your true self to shine, because you are awesome. You are awesome, my Scorpion friends. Allow your true self to shine in the coming week. It's a very very beautiful, blissful time frame for you. The manifestations of new business opportunities, childbirth, and marriage opportunities for some, and some of you coming into limelight, and express your individuality well in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes to my Scorpion friends. And now we move on to the next zodiac sign, and before reading for them, I'm going to have some water. So this is a message for my Capricorn friends. Hydrate yourself, because before starting your reading I have felt the need to hydrate myself. So this is a message for my Capricorn friends to hydrate yourself, increase your intake of liquids, and good liquids, that is the water, detox water, juices, soups in the coming week. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. I feel that my Capricorn friends are in a very defensive mode in the coming week. So I feel that they have been looking for a clarity on a certain situation in past few weeks, wherein I feel that they are in a need of some kind of a freedom, and they are wishing some clarity. It can be with regard to a relationship scenario, or with regard to their work scenario, or might be even on their health scenario. They have been giving some health tests, and they are looking for clarity. In the coming week, I feel that you are being very defensive on a situation wherein I feel that some of you are wishing some time alone from your family members or from your partners, and there is a certain project might be that you're working on, which requires a lot of hard work, and you are on the verge of completion in this project. And so I feel that you are wishing for some isolation time in the coming week, wherein you don't want to be disturbed by the people around you, and you want to read books, you want to connect with the divine. You are seeking some clarity on a certain aspect of your life. Now this can be work related, or love related, or health related, but you are wishing some kind of an isolation time. And after this isolation time is given to my Capricorn friends, I feel that they will be victorious in this. They will get clarity, they will get divine guidance also. So in the coming week, I feel that some of you are absolutely being very defensive to the people you are communicating with regard to your spiritual beliefs. Might be you have certain spiritual beliefs, and you are absolutely going to stick to them, and stand by them, and wish to isolate yourself from those people who want to argue with you, who want to who are in argumentative mode. I feel that you are at the end, closure of a cycle. Some of my friends, I feel, want to isolate themselves or move away from a certain partner in their life who they feel is causing them a lot of stress. And I feel that they are contemplating, they are in a mode to get a clarity from this partner and free themselves. Absolutely, this is a very, very good time frame if you want to study, take up spiritual topics, connect with a spiritual person, or connect with a person who has wisdom, knowledge, teachers. It is a very good time frame for you. Bowl, plenty of material things, beautiful. So if you are looking for clarity in a certain financial situations, the universe has a message for you wherein they say that you do have plenty of material benefits around you. Acquaint dear friends, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths opening up for you. For some of my friends, definitely I'll say that a spiritual path is opening for you. Some of you are absolutely opening a pathway to become a spiritual healer, a spiritual teacher. And some of you are becoming teachers. Definitely a position of elevation might be in your job, career, business. A post of elevation is coming towards you, which is also bringing you some material benefits. I see the energy of a Virgo sign person, Libra sign person, and Leo, Sagittarius, Aries sign people very, very evident for you. Assertiveness, dear friends, they say stand up for your beliefs and only say yes if you really want to. So be defensive. Here I was feeling that you are being defensive with a certain belief systems that you have, and the divine is also giving you these messages that you stand up for your beliefs and say yes only if you really want to, for these new opportunities, possibilities or pathways which are opening for you. And you need to take absolute clarity on these new openings that are coming towards you. Plenty of material things to enjoy, and especially with this card, I would say that start eating more of fruits, a bowl full of fruits, to energize yourself, to upgrade your vibrations in the coming week. Wishing you all the best. It looks like a blissful week wherein you will be wishing some time of isolation or cutting away from people who are argumentative. So I wish you all the best. Lots of new opportunities and abundance is flowing towards you. Enjoy yourself well, dear friends. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Aquarian friends. What are going to be the energies for my Aquarian friends in the coming week? So let's see. I feel there is an end of a painful cycle happening for my Aquarian friends. A new opportunity of financial manifestation is also coming, and there is a card of Wheel of Fortune. So great luck, endings and new beginnings are happening for my Aquarian friends. So for my Aquarian friends, for some of my friends who were wishing for a reconciliation with a partner who might be flirtatious in nature in past, I feel that that situation which was causing a lot of pain to you, wherein you felt backstabbed in past, that situation is ending for you, and you're building up a new relationship, might be with your past lover or partner only. The destiny is shifting in your favor now, and so you are coming out of the low vibrational times. Okay, and for some of my Aquarian friends, definitely a painful period wherein you were seeking childbirth from the universe, and universe was not blessing you. And might be for some of my friends in a very very sad scenario, they did lose their child somehow. This child is going to have a rebirth. You are going to have a conception of this child. So over here they say birth or conception of a child or an enterprise. So big time manifestation of a new enterprise, business opportunity, a profession, a new career opportunity for some of my friends. And for some of my friends, there is a manifestation of childbirth happening. For some of my friends, there is a reconciliation in their home or a family environment happening, wherein I feel that there was a person around you who might be flirtatious in nature, and this person is now becoming more grounded and sticking to their routines, they are saying, and following their path, they are saying. So the month of February is evident for you. It is possible that a childbirth takes place in the month of February 2022 for some of my friends. That's what they want to highlight. Or an enterprise that for which you sow the seeds today manifests for you in a good way and brings a destiny shift for you in February 2022. For some of my friends, I feel that they are going to start some kind of an educative program, or might be they are giving their exams for something which they are trying second time, and this time around in February might be they are going to clear these exams. There can be an educative program also that you can start for yourself or for your child. Big luck opportunity for your child can come, for travel also, for a residential move also, that can come for you. All in all, I feel that the coming week is going to be a major week for you. So the guidance message for my Aquarian friends, we missed on the guidance message, so let's just check one guidance message for them. Assertiveness, dear friends. So they say stand up for your beliefs and only say yes if you really want to. For a certain situation, this is a guidance message for my Aquarian friends, and I'm going to check one more guidance message for my Aquarian friends. And here they say emotional healing. So they say, as your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. So I feel that it is a time frame of healing for my Aquarian friends, and you need to heal your heart chakra. So you can take this heart chakra healings from my YouTube channel. Be assertive in this week for the opportunities that are coming towards you, and say yes if a past lover or a partner from past is coming towards you for reconciliation. So they are saying only say yes if you really want to. Do not give invitation to negative energies again in your life. And as your heart chakra will heal heart and mind and soul, and then you will be able to receive new blessings and love. So lots of love to my Aquarian friends, and now we are going to see how the coming week is going to be for my Piscean friends. Let's see what are the messages and the guidances for my Piscean friends in the coming week. How the coming week is going to be for my Piscean friends. So I feel that for my Piscean friends, there has been some kind of a situation in past wherein they have felt as if there was a third party situation, or might be they felt choked, suffocated and dominated by a person. Might be they were away from their partner, or their partner was wishing to be away from them for some kind of a peace, harmony in the relationship, or might be there was a third party situation also happening, and so there was a communication gap that was happening between you or your partner. Or might be there was a person around you who was taking healings, who was possessed by an evil spirit on their body. In the coming week, we see that a situation, a shocking situation, or a situation of a big revelation is going to happen for you, which is going to bring a profound awakening in your life, which is going to bring a lot of clarity in your situations, for the situations that were not clear for you. So I feel that a sudden situation, a sudden shocking situation can happen. For some of my friends, it can be with regard to spirituality, wherein they were taking some healing. So there is going to be an aha moment, a release of a big time negative blockage or an energy from their body, and they get a clear message from the universe regarding a certain person or a situation around them. For some of my friends who were actually suffering a lot in their body, wherein they were possessed by evil spirit, might be they or another person around them was possessed by an evil spirit, this spirit is going to leave their body in the coming week, and they are going to come back into their balance. For some of my friends, there is going to be a situation in a relationship wherein you are going to have a clear communication with your partner. Now this partner can be Libra, Aquarius, Gemini person, or an Aries person, or a Capricorn person, and this person is absolutely going to give you a clear communication. Either you are going to be into the energies of a person who is wishing for clear communications and clarity on a certain situation, a relationship, or might be your partner is giving you some kind of a clarity on a situation which is kind of an awakening for you, and which is kind of coming like a shock also for some of my friends. Elephant, a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. So I feel that whatever this shocking situation is going to be, is going to lead you to be more wiser and temporary problems. So this shocking situation can be a temporary situation also, this revelation that is coming towards you. For some of my friends, there is going to be a new business idea which is going to come to my friends, and they say business venture, trust and follow through on a new business idea or a career opportunity. So the coming week can be a week for bringing some kind of a new career opportunity towards you. I want to take one clarifier, and I want to see this scenario with regard to a relationship, because a lot of my Piscean friends are going through a lot of confusion in their relationship. So what is the star moment going to lead? If it is with regard to a relationship clarity, what is the star moment going to lead towards them? So yes, I feel that the star moment is going to bring an opportunity of independence for some of my friends. I feel that they were in a burdensome relationship, and with the clarity, there is going to be an independence for them. For some of my friends, there is going to be a financial gain also which comes to you with the ending of this particular situation in your life. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Piscean friends, and I wish all the best to all my friends on Healing Soul.